Hey, what it do, MySpace? This your boy, you feel me? Holding it down a little bit. I'm here to make a public announcement real quick to all you hoes that come to the nigga page with that bullshit running about who my number one is, who she is, who is Nicole, you feel me? If y'all wanna know who Nicole is, who my number one is, cause that hoe better than y'all, you feel me? And I ain't calling her no hoe in a bad way. That's my bitch, you feel me? Baby, my number one. That's whatever it is to me, you feel me? I'm whatever I am to her. That's just my nigga. That's how we kick it. So y'all hoes wanna know who she is. Y'all wanna know what she bite. Message her. Don't ask me about the motherfucker life story. You feel me? So y'all wanna know all this, who she is, how she number one. You know what I'm saying? Y'all hoes don't have my number. I don't even know you hoes. So why y'all in my business and shit? So long story short, y'all wanna know who baby is. Fuck with her. Don't start MySpace bumping, cause bitch, she'll let you know real quick. Come get at her. Y'all can jump on them hands, and I can put 500 down, my nigga. My nigga gon' thrash you. So it's nothing, you feel me, to you niggas that wanna come to my MySpace, you feel me? Beefing by I'm on your girlfriend types, who the fuck am I, nigga, where I stay. I let any nigga in this world know where I stay, nigga. I'm never scared to throw these hands, cause throwing these hands is what I do best. If a bitch ass, I put like this. If a nigga gotta pull a pistol, my nigga, he pussy. And that's real as dead. If a nigga, you know what I'm saying, pull a pistol before he throw them hands, bitch made. I don't give a fuck who you is. God ain't put guns down here, you feel me, before your hands. Oh, okay. Point exactly. So, with that being said, I don't get mad, I get money, you feel me? Because if it don't make money, it don't make sense, you feel me? So, and forever, nigga, holding it down for my hood, 3rd Ward, Texas, DTA 2909 to 2913 block, you feel me? Know what I'm saying? Showing up to my nigga 10 OTF from B-Sky boys, Bill in the Sky, we rode the flocks where my niggas get cash, you feel me? So it's nothing, nigga, we stay studying. Swag is official, nigga, cause I never choose, nigga. I'm always chosen, nigga. So for you lame fucks, nigga, that out here wearing these old bitch ass skinny jeans and shit, say, y'all boys keep doing y'all thing. I ain't hating on y'all, cause hoes be choosing y'all too. I'ma show mad love today. But I'm talking about to them bitch ass niggas that be trying to wear skinny jeans and shit, you feel me? And trying to act all hard and pussy than the hoe ass. So, with that being said, I'm out this bitch. You know what I'm saying? To you lame hoes and lame ass niggas, hey, get your swag up, daddy, and your paper.